Question 4, parts A, B, C and D. Okay, so I've got them summarized here. These are the two lines they intersected A. So let's find that then. Okay, so for part A, the two lines intersect when the x-coordinate, y and z-coordinates all equal. So 5 plus lambda, so 5 times 0, is equal to 8 plus 3 mu. And we've got minus 3 plus lambda is equal to, so mu is equal to 1. Mu is equal to minus 1, rather, straight away. So minus 3, so we don't need to do any more. So we can check the coordinates. Mu is equal to minus 1. Let's just get lambda. So it's minus 3 plus lambda will equal 5 plus 4 mu. So that would be 1. So 2, lambda would be 4. So when you put them in then, for the R1, what coordinate would you get? For A, let's just check it. When lambda is 4, A corresponds to 5, 1, and P minus 3. P minus lambda is 4, P minus 12. And for line 2, A would be 5, because mu is minus 1, and then 1, and then minus 2, this is mu minus 1, you get 5, minus 2 is 3. Okay, so that's what you get. Okay, so you get 5, 1, so P will be P minus 12 must equal 3. So B, P minus 12 must equal 3. So P is equal to 15. The A coordinate, which we could put here in the question, is 5, 1, 3. P is equal to 15. And then we'd get 5, 1, 3 here as well. Good. C, angle between line L1 and L2. Okay, so they intersect at that point. A, 5, 1, and 3. And then you've got this direction and this direction. Direction of L1. The direction vector is 0, 1, minus 3. And the direction of this vector is 3, 4, minus 5. So, okay. So use the cosine rule, the dot product rule, then this dot this would be 0, 1, minus 3 dot 3, 4, minus 5 is equal to the modulus here, which is root 10. This would be 9, 16 is 25, another 25 is root 50, times cosine of the angle alpha between them. And this is 0, 4, and 15, so that's 19. So cosine alpha then, 19 over root 10, root 50. So alpha is equal to then, shift cos of that. Let's have a look at it. So degrees mode, and then shift cos 19 divided by bracket square root of 10 times square root of 50, which could have been worked out, I suppose, a bit more easily. Close the bracket, equals 31.82, that's to 2dp, 31.82 degrees, and that was to 2 decimal places. So that asked us to work it out to. Okay, part C then. Let's have a look at the question. We've done part C, that's the angle. And then D, distance from the point. B is on L2 where mu is 1. So B would be, mu is 1, so it's 8 plus 3 is 11. 5 plus 4 is 9. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. 11, 9 minus 7. Okay, so there's B. So the shortest distance from that to L1. So here, there's the point B then. Here's L1. L1, which is R1, which is equal to 5 minus 3, and then P. So 5 minus 3, 15, plus lambda, let's go back up and get it, 0.1 minus 3. So there's B, this is the line here, so this is the point, say 5 minus 3, 15. Just drawn it afresh now, just to give us a bit more room. So here's this thing here, and then we've got a point here, which you can suppose is D, for example. Now, this point here has these coordinates, 5 minus 3 plus lambda, and 15 minus 3 lambda. Now basically, this vector here, BD, is down there. When does that one and that one correspond to 90 degrees? Here's the angle here, say alpha. So BD then, so BD dots this vector here, 0.1 minus 3. Now that needs to equal, the cosine 90 will be 0. So that would need to be 0 for them to be perpendicular. So BD then has the coordinates 5 minus 11 is minus 6. Minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12 plus lambda. And then 15 minus 7 is 22 minus 3 lambda. So that dot that 0.1 minus 3 must equal 0, and that will give the value of lambda. So here we've got minus 12 plus lambda. This is a minus 3, so this is minus 66 plus 9 lambda must equal 0. So 10 lambda then must equal 78. Lambda is equal to 7.8. So the coordinate of D then, 7.8, will be 5. So D has coordinates 5. 7.8 minus 3 is 4.8. And 7.8 times 3, 15, minus 3 times 7.8, which is minus 8.4. So then the distance will be BD then. Square root of B has coordinates 11, 9 minus 7. So it'll be 6 squared is 36. 4.8 to 9 is 4.2. And then this distance is 1.4, isn't it? Difference squared. So let's just tap that in then. 36 plus 4.2 squared plus 1.4 squared equals decimal. That's the answer. So now we just do square root of the answer. 7.46 to 3 significant figures.